In Ayurveda, hair along with nail is considered to be a byproduct of bone formation. The dhatu or the tissue responsible for building bones, asti, also give rise to the hair. Thus, proper nutrition of the bone is necessary for the healthy growth of the hair. If you don't completely absorb calcium and magnesium, for example, not only will your bones be adversely affected, but your hair may become brittle, develop split ends, break easily, and even begin to fall out. It is important to notice that if your hair is unhealthy, it may be an indication that you are not absorbing these minerals effectively. This suggests that the health of your bones will be or may already be adversely affected. So, the health of your hair as well as your nails is a good indicator of the health of your bones. Healthy hair depends first upon eating nutritious food. Dairy products such as cheese, milk, and freshly prepared yogurt are good for bones and hair, as are white radish, coconut, cooked apples, and cabbage are also beneficial. You can improve the condition of your hair and also strengthen your bones by taking supplements of calcium, magnesium, zinc, and other minerals. Every morning, eat a handful of white sesame seed. One handful of sesame seed contains about 1200 mg of calcium and magnesium and promotes healthy growth of your hair. Drinking coconut water, the juice inside the fresh coconut also help to improve essential calcium for hair growth. You can have half cup a day. Drinking coconut milk made from coconut meat blended in water is also helpful, but it is a second choice. Gently combing your hair with a comb a little in the opposite direction of its natural tendencies help to improve the circulation at the root of the hair and will make your hair healthier. Vigorous brushing of the hair is not recommended. Several yoga postures are effective for relieving pressure and tension in the neck, which will increase circulation on the scalp. This includes the soldier stand, the camel, cobra, and the cow pose, and the spinal twist. Rubbing a little oil on your scalp is beneficial for your hair. Amla oil, Bhringraj oil, and Brahmi oil are all cooling and are quite favorable for healthy growth of your hair and help maintain the hair's natural luster. Before going to bed, rub 2 teaspoons of the oil onto your hair. Note that the objective here is to apply the oil to the scalp, not the hair. Gently massaging the scalp improves circulation at the root of the hair and thus increases the supply of nourishing minerals that support the roots.